Sheep.
Silent please. Tolong memorinya penuh.
Remain silence.
Saya balas kurir.
Ya elah. Kurir. Hi everyone.
Welcome back to another episode of
Friendly Voices Podcast.
A place where we share real stories, honest thoughts, and a lot of laughter.
Yups, just friends talking about life, a conversation at a time.
And today we're diving into something that's close to everyone.
Yes,
Friendship. And yeah, we all have a different experience about the fun, the likes, and everything in between.
Okay. So, in this episode, we're gonna talk about friendship means to each of us, the ups and downs, and the lesson we've learned along the way. So, let's start simple. What does friendship actually mean to us? For me, friendship is about being real.
Real as in, no pretending, right?
Exactly. Like once, I was having a rough week, super down and tired, and my roommate just showed up with my favorite snack and said, "Let's talk." That simple moment reminded me what true friendship really is nothing fancy, just genuine care.
Oh, that's it.
Right? Of course. It's not always perfect, but sometimes we fight or don't talk for a while. But real friends always find their way back. And that what makes friendship special is not perfect, but it's real. So, speaking of real moments, Inga, what about those fun or even embarrassing ones that actually make us closer?
Oh, totally. I feel like those random, even embracing moments are that what a glue of friendship together, like getting lost together, filing an exam, or maybe we just wearing the wrong outfit. Um, I think those are the best of kind memories.
Haha, guilty. Been there, done that.
Right. Those little moments become inside jokes that we only understand. And then they remind us the friendship doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real and shared.
Exactly. Those small moments keep friendships alive.
And oh my gosh, that made me wanna call my friends right now and talk for hours. But of course, it's not always about louder and sunshine. We are challenges to like misunderstanding, distance, or maybe growing apart.
Yeah, that's the tough part.
Yeah. So beyond all the funny stories, let's be real. So, Danny, what do you think about what the common challenges in friendship, and how do we overcome them?
Honestly, I think friendship is not always smooth. Sometimes we just get busy like school, home, family, and stop talking as much.
True. Life gets in the way sometimes.
And then there's distance. When someone move away or you really see each other, staying close get harder. But what's really matter is how we handle this moment. Yeah, like making the effort, right? Exactly. Real friends always find a way back. Even after fight or misunderstanding, if both sides care enough, they'll fix it. For me, this little challenge actually make friendship stronger. You realize who truly wants to stay, not just when it's fun, but just it's talk. What about you, Ari? How do you keep friendship strong over time?
That's a great question, Mr. Danny. Making friends is easy. You meet someone, you vibe, boom, you become friends. But the real question is keeping that friendship stronger. That's the real challenge.
So true. Let us share secret tips.
All right. Here go my two tips. First, communication. We don't have to talk every day with our friends, but checking in once in a while, it means a lot. Like, how are you? How you holding up? Or sending a meme. It makes someone's day.
Oh, yes. It's the little things that count.
Yeah, exactly. Second, listening. Like really listening. Be present. Sometimes your friends just didn't need an advice, but need you to listen.
That's a good one. Listening goes to a long way.
Yes. Third, honesty. If something feels off with your friends, talk about it. Real friends can handle honesty. Fourth, show up. Be there for your friends. Be there when it matters, during wins and losses. And last but not least, be consistent. Trust takes time. Showing up again and again, it builds it. And I think that ties perfectly into your part, Nana. That lesson we've learned from friendship.
Exactly, Ari. Listening all of this really makes me think beyond all the fun, the challenges, and the laughter. Because friendship always leave us with lesson that shapes who we are.
Oh, this sounds deep already.
Yeah, right. So for me, the biggest lesson is trust. Yeah, trusting that your friend will be there even you don't talk every day, and trusting that they understand you even um you and they don't text. Oh, sorry. I mean,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
and trusting that they understand you even without words. And then forgiveness. No friendship is perfect,
Yeah.
because friendships choose to forgive you. And lastly is growth. True friendship helps you become a better version of yourself, more understanding, more patient, and more loving.
That's so true, Nana.
I love that. Friendship really shape who we are.
Yes.
So yeah, for me, friendship isn't about who's been there the longest, but who keeps choosing stay through every love, every silence, and every storm. Because in the end, friendship doesn't fade; it gets stronger with time.
That's beautiful, Nana.
Yes, Stefan.
Yeah, I think everyone listening can totally relate.
Yes, exactly.
Friendship really is one of life's best teacher.
And it's not about being perfect, it's about being present.
Exactly. And maybe if you're listening right now, take a moment to text your friend, say thanks for being there.
Because life's better when shared with good friends.
That's all for today's episode of
Friendly Voices
Don't
Podcast.
forget to follow us for more stories and heart-to-heart talks.
Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Iya.